Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to Quick Trading. So today we are going to see how we can do algorithm trading on futures. So for that, first let us explore in chart, and the same thing we'll try to implement in the algorithm. So for that I have selected Nifty May future contract and see, and first let me explain you how this indicator, what indicator we are going to choose and how it will work. So for this we are going to use stochastic momentum index. So this is one of the index where you can just type stochastic momentum index, you can add, but there is a variation in this. I have changed the values, customized the values according to my things. So these values I have added myself after some things, but let us not go in depth why these values. Instead let's see how we can use this for our trading. Okay, so these are the values 13, 25, 2 and 9 we have added. So if you see, this is on 14th, which is on Fridays. So this having a 2. So whenever the green one crosses the red one, it is an indication for the bulls that they are going to enter. So this is where we will buy this, and after few points. So the target is very simple, it's around 15 points. Let us target. So since this is bank nifty, Nifty, it is having 75 quantity lot, 75 into 15, which is around 1000 rupees will target, and then we'll close. Okay, stop loss we will put some 1% or something. Okay, so after this cross as well, similarly these can be same used for bearish also. For now we'll try to focus on only bullish pattern and see clearly we can see that after this cross happened, there is a bullish movement that came, and then we can book some profit here. And also see again in 14th, second time the bulls entered, we can also book some profit here. So similarly whenever there is a crossover we can do. So one more thing we need to remember is there are two values, this 40 and minus 40. So whenever it is overly bought, it will be cross 40. So whenever we need to make sure that this value shouldn't cross more than 40, so that we won't be trapped. See, for example, if you are going to enter when this is overly bought, whenever you will be entrapped. Instead we will try to avoid that by adding that condition. So let us go to algorithms and see how we can do trading using algorithm. So let us create, let us take 5 minutes candle. Since we are going to buy, we can give number of lots here. For example, I'm giving 4 lots. Now stochastic momentum index, as I told you, we need to change these values to our customized one, which is 13, 25, 2 and 9. This should cross above stochastic. So this is the green one, should cross above the red one. Again the same values 13, 25, 2, 9. Okay, if it cross above, and also as we previously discussed, this value should be less than 40. 13, 25, 2 and 9 should be lower than number 40. Okay, so we'll having stop loss 1. Let's see, we'll target, we'll fine tune these values later. For now, quick trading bullish future test. Okay, so based on the results, again we can fine tune. For now we can add this, and Nifty May future. Okay, so for now if we see results, it resulted in negative. Now we need to optimize it, how to take it positive. If you see, the wins are good and losses are more. Since the losses value is high, 46,000 is the loss you need to bear, and if it is gain, it is 4,500. Now we need to see how we can do. Now if we see how many square off are happening, there are many square offs that are happening. So whenever the square off happening, if you see the enter time is 1:55, 1:30, 2 o'clock. So it is clear that once afternoon session has started, this is not working. So we can directly change this entry stop time to 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock p.m. and we can enter at 9 o'clock a.m. and let us see from 15th of Feb. Okay, so till now, since it will be from March, let us see from March. Okay, now we just changed the date and time, everything I have left as it is. Let's see, still there is a negative, but still winning rate has been increased. Now let us change the target to 0.09 and see how it goes. Now it turned into positive. Now 53 out of 53, 49 got success, 4 all losses. Let us see why these 4 all losses. Stop loss got triggered on 9th March, on 12th March and 15th March, and there are no stop losses after that. There is second page also. Yeah, there are no stop losses. So whatever we discussed on 14th 9:15 it entered and it existed on 10 12:40 15. On 14th also we got these 2 calls. Okay, so this is also captured here, but the only thing is there are still 3 losses that are there. How we can avoid that is our next question. So how we can avoid this stop loss? So for this we can also add a MACD, so that MACD will help us in avoiding these kind of things. MACD should be higher than signal. So let us see. Now 44 signals, so out of 44, 41 are success. So 9th March 120, 130, 12th March and 15th March 15. Let us analyze these dates and see 10, 20, 15th March. This is April, 15th March. March 10:20. So 15th March around 10:20, when there is a rise, it has happened. So it is overly bought. How we can avoid this? But if we see later point of time, it has increased this. So we can clearly change the stop loss so that we won't be trapped in this. Let us go and see how. Let us put some 2%. So we can easily gain 79,000 just by using this same strategy. But we can how we can avoid this 12th March 9:20. If you still want less calls, that is fine. Then you can select 9:30 or 10 o'clock, or at least yes, 9:30 is fine. Now we can avoid those also. There are 36 calls that came, all 36 are success. Now our algorithm is fail proof. We can earn around 1,43,000. All 36 calls are success. We just fine tuned our values. So if you still want 1.5 and see, that is fine. So one is, that's what, again it's your wish. This is what the values are. Thanks for watching.